Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you what is the best settings that you could set in your Windows Defender. So let's get started. First is you need to click this forward arrow here to show hidden icons. Then click this shield icon to open Windows Security. So the moment that you are here in the Windows Security, you can see here a lot of sections. It goes with virus and threat protection, account, firewall, app and browser, device, and more. Now, here's the two important thing that you must be remembered here at the Windows Security. You need to make sure that this virus and threat protection and firewall and network protection is active. So let's go to this first one. Once you're here, go to Manage Settings and make sure that this real-time protection, div drive protection, cloud delivered protection, and the rest of that is enabled or active. Next is this firewall and network protection. Might as well here, you need to make sure that these three networks, which are domain, private, and public, is on or active. Okay, so in that manner, you are keeping your device or your computer safe from any viruses. And make sure that all of this section, especially this, are marked check. Okay? So that's it. That's the perfect settings that you could set in your Windows security. Hope you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the like button, the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.